Hey everybody, this is just going to be a quick video. I just want to show you how I'm breaking down water bottles to make covers for some bean seeds that I want to plant today. I don't want to take the chance of birds getting to them or squirrels. We don't really have too many squirrels digging around in the garden this time of year. But it's more so the birds that I'm concerned with. So I hope you enjoy this short clip. I thought I was going back in for the morning, but I started doing some weeding, and look at here. That elephant ear, the bulb that I planted here that I thought I planted it upside down because I hadn't seen anything peeking up, and look at there. So that was just a late bloomer in comparison to this one that I planted and has already reproduced itself. As you can see, this leaf here was struggling to get out of the ground. I probably shouldn't have had so much wood chips around it, but at any rate, we've got elephant ears. We've got elephant ears. So exciting. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video.